Calling and asking for someone over the phone could be convenient and easy. Watch this video and find out how. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will teach you how to ask for someone over the phone here in Japan. It is very easy, but a little bit tricky because you will be using a foreign language. Let's begin. それでは始めましょう。In asking for someone, choosing your words for the person you are looking for is needed. There are different phrases and sentences which could be used, but I will teach you the easiest ways to do them as beginners. The following are some of the examples. In a situation wherein you need to call your own office to ask for a Japanese colleague. For example, your last name is Lim and your colleague's name is Mr. Kimura. Here's what you are going to say. もしもし、リムです。木村さんお願いします。Which means, Hello, this is Lim. May I speak to Mr. Kimura? How about if you will call your own office to look for someone with a higher position? Like for example, Mr. Takeda, who is the manager or what we call 部長 in Japanese. Here's what you are going to say. もしもし、リムです。武田部長お願いします。If you could notice, you need to say the position as well when you're looking for the person with a higher rank. This means, Hello, this is Lim. May I speak to Manager Takeda? If you want to be extra polite, you may say, もしもし、リムと申しますが、武田部長いらっしゃいますか? This means, Hello, this is Lim speaking. Is Manager Takeda there? I hope that this episode will help you to be more confident in answering phone calls. You may always watch this video to practice with me, but for now, here's a summary of what we have talked about today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video, because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。